Right, short presentation. Training day 2 already. And yeah, the agenda of today is to define an assembly, make use of drawing units, and to make plate parts. So the first two, defining an assembly and drawing units, are very related to each other. And oh, by the way, I don't know which screen is being recorded of this team viewer session. It doesn't matter really. Okay, so the first two are very related, and then the third one is making plate parts. And there, yeah, you make actual construction elements. So defining an assembly, what is that? An assembly is this. It's in fact a collection of yeah, empty frame drawings. So it are intersections. You see one is highlighted here. So at the bow, if frame is highlighted, you can select it and then you can open it. So this is what an assembly is, and this is yeah, really your starting point for drawing the construction.
Okay.
Yes. So you can open one drawing, and in that drawing you start drawing your construction, and you do that frame by frame. You can do it for the whole ship, or just for one part of the ship, so maybe midship, aftship.
All right.
So if you have this assembly, you can also use drawing units. So this is the top view of that assembly, and then you can define drawing units. So you can say, well, I have a starboard drawing unit here, and I have a drawing unit on the port side there, and you can define as many drawing units as you like. You can also say, I don't define drawing units, I just have one model. That's also fine.
Okay.
And yeah, it's in fact, it's not really much more than just a folder structure. So here you see the mastership project folder, and what it does, it just makes a new folder here and one folder here. But that's really the difference. So it's a way to organize your project when you are working in a team.
Okay.
So then you say, okay, you work on the port side, I work on the starboard, and etc.
All right.
So that's also what we are going to do today. And then finally, we're going to make the plate parts. And what are plate parts? Well, that is something like this. So here you see a web frame of a midship section of, I don't know, container ship or something. And then you see here on the right top, you see it highlighted, or one of the plates highlighted, and also marking lines on it. Yeah, it's in fact a plate part is also a mastership part, and a mastership part is in fact a block reference. And I don't know, do you know what a block reference is?
I have no idea. Block reference. Is it just like a normal block?
Yes, indeed. So it's yeah, it's like a group.
Okay. Yeah.
So I think in Rhino you use groups.
Yeah. It's Rhino is used to.
Yes. So it's similar to groups. So it are just lines in a group, so to say, and then with data in it. And this is data like the thickness of the plate and the ID of the plate, things like that.
Okay.
And that data is also saved in the project database of mastership. And then you also have solids as a representation. So these solids are just there. They do not have a real function other than a representation. So the solids do not contain data. It's a block reference with lines that contain the data. And then finally we have TOM, and that stands for template oriented modeling. And yeah, that enables you to model quicker than when you draw everything by hand.
Yeah. This Tom is for example, can you give some example on Tom? This one, for example,
Yes.
Example of Tom.
Yes. So for example, a bracket maybe.
Bracket.
Yes, and that's in a library. And then if you want to make this bracket, then you give a few parameters, you fill them in, and then the bracket is drawn automatically. But you can also do it for maybe a web frame or for a floor or anything really. You can also do it for cutouts. So here you see those holes. Yeah, they are also made with Tom. And here you see a few stiffeners. I don't know if you see them very well.
Yeah.
Those stiffeners are also made with Tom. And yeah, you will see it. You will see how it looks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I think let's get started. We are going to do again a follow along / exercise. And then we are going to make that assembly and also the drawing units. Then we will have a break. So I think this first follow along will take about 60 minutes, so 1 hour. Then we do a break of 20 minutes, and then again a follow along for the plate parts, which is very important part.
Yes.
And that will take us about I think 90 minutes or something. Then let's see, where are we going to start? I still have this open, so this is looks familiar to you. Yeah, this is the where we first left the last training. So we are going to make. Let's see, where is my agenda? Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to this shell expansion. So since this one is better, you already had a good one, so but I'm going to use this one. So you can open this shell expansion as well, or maybe it's nice. Okay. Yes. Okay. I have an ID. Okay. So if we go to the folder, so our project, to this project, the new project.
New project. Yeah.
And if we open it, then let's see. Yeah, it's not in there. So what we can do is we can go back here to training setup and expansions. And then we have this one, the shell expansion drawing. And we are going to copy it to this new project. I'm going to rename it first. Close this one. The shell expansion. This is day one. But we are not going to use day one anymore. We are going to use this one. Yeah, let's call this one day two then. Yeah, that's better. I'm going to open that. Okay, let me know when you have the same.
Yeah, wait a second. So I close first. Okay, so close. Okay. Wait a second. I have this shell expansion. Expansion. project. Yeah.
You have it?
Yes, yes.
Nice, nice, good. Okay, so let's first do a check if everything is well set for making the assembly. So we can do first surface visibility, and then check everything, and then do OK. Okay, that looks good. Do you have the same? So the complete model in it?
Right. Yep.
Okay, nice. Then I will hide it again. And then the same for the deck. So then we do set active deck. And then I want to see my main deck. It's also good.
Set active my mandate. Let's see. Yep, I have it.
Everything in it? Okay, good, good, good. Okay, so then we will hide it again. That's fine. And we are going to make a new one. And that's called stiffeners.
Okay, wait a second. Hide. So set active, new database, stiffener.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good, good, good. Okay, so what we are going to do is here in the shell expansion, those are stiffeners, or they are going to be stiffeners in the future. So at this moment, it are just lines. So what is nice to have, but it's not required, but it's nice to do, to add your primary and your secondary construction elements to the MSD as well. It's not required, so you can also do just the hull and the deck, but it's nice to have. So it's good to, here you have the girders. It's good to, yes, we want them to add them to the MSD as well. So what we need to do, we need to make a surface out of this.
All right.
So we can do, is it extrude? And then we can make it to the tank top. So, and that's the tank top is 1,000 high. So to 1,000. And then we also then we need to trim it here to that surface. So then we have to, yes.
Trim to the.
Sorry.
Yeah, you trim to the surface, or which one?
Yes. So here this is the tank top. And this this side girder is now above this. It's above it. So we need to trim it to the right height. So we need to make a surface, but maybe we already have that. Let's see. No, we don't have that. So we have to trim it to that surface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line here.
I see.
At minus 5,000 and 1,000 in height. Oh, that was the wrong one. Minus 5,000. Again, line minus 5,000, and then also minus 1,000, and then at the height of 1,000. And then I draw it to here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Wait a second. 9, 0, okay. Move. 9, negative 5,000. What? 1,000. 1,000. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, maybe, yeah, okay, this is good. Now we have to rotate the UCS. I don't know if you know how to do that, to rotate it.
Oh.
Yeah. So you can type in UCS.
UCS, rotate.
Yes. And then press X.
X.
Yes.
Okay.
And then it says the rotation angles about the x-axis.
Uh-huh.
And then 90, that's good.
But Z still to the top, right?
Yes, but for now we have to make an extrusion of this line.
Let me see first. Okay, Z, okay, Y, all right. C, X. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So you have this now the same.
Yep.
Okay, good. Then you can go to the surface ribbon of AutoCAD.
Okay.
And then we choose extrude. You can also type it in, it's also fine.
Mm-hmm.
Then we select this line.
Oh, all right, all right. No wonder why I cannot move my line. Just not go to the top.
Yes. So that's why, yes, in AutoCAD, the extrusion is always in the Z direction. So therefore we have to specify it again.
Okay.
So we can do, maybe it's actually nice to have it in the middle, so we make it very long. That's fine. And then we move it a bit. Placement. And we do it somewhere here, a bit in the middle. So let me know when you have the same.
Wait a second.
Yep.
string. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, nice. And then we do, then we set back the UCS. We do again rotation around the X, and we do -90. Now everything is back to normal.
No, wait. Let's see. Oh, the direction. All right.
Good. And now we can trim those girders. Okay. Oh, that was a mistake. Again, trim.
Surface free.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Okay, and then we first string. Surface free. Okay. Yep.
Okay, good. Good. Nice. So then what is then good to do? Okay, so I'm going to let's hide this. That was stupid. Let's not hide it. Okay, let's move this for now. Let's take it away. Let's place it there. Okay, so now this looks good. So we can also do it for stiffeners. So we can take those. And those are going to be quicker. I'm going to select one. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so we're going to do the same for the stiffeners. So we first specify the UCS again and rotate it around the x-axis at 90.
Okay.
And then we are going to extrude those longitudinal stiffeners. So I go to this view. And I select all the stiffeners. Let's see, here's one stiffener. And those are stiffeners. I do OK. And I will make them, yeah, what's normal? 100. I make them 100 long.
Yeah, 100. Okay.
No, I've one too many here. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, you have the same.
Yep. Wait a second. Yeah.
Okay, nice, nice. Okay, then we set back the UCS. Now everything should be normal again.
Mhm.
Right. So, and now we're going to add those services to the MSD. So everything that is in the MSD, you will also see that in your assembly. And
Okay.
that's convenient to have when you create plate parts. I can imagine you do not really understand that at this moment. But it's, yeah, if you do it a few times, then you will see, okay, that's nice to have. So I'll tell you right now. So we can go back to shape. And then we do convert to surface again. And then we select all the stiffeners. Let's do only the surfaces.
Only the surfaces.
Yes. Yeah, you can do the lines as well, but you know, if you only do the surfaces, then that's cleaner.
So
I've selected all the stiffeners. And you do only 2D was. And then I do add. Okay.
Okay, so we name it as a stiffener.
Yeah, yes, I named it, let's see, I called it longitudinals.
All right.
But it doesn't matter, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, good. And then we are also going to add the girders. So we do convert to surface again. And we select this girder, that girder. And I'll call this girders.
Okay. All right.
All right, nice.
Yes.
I'm going to open a new drawing. Here, new project. Just do ship start. Doesn't matter really. So just for now. And then I want to see if we did a good job. So I do surface visibility, girders, or maybe it's even nicer to do zoom extend. Okay. Maybe it's nicer to do turn off the visibility, but to draw surfaces. Girders, longitudinals.
Good. All right. Okay. So,
Okay, that's good. And
so we need to draw again the surface.
yes, I draw it. So I'm going to look if everything is in the MSD as I want. And that's the final check before we are going to define the assembly.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I see, okay, all my stiffeners, that's good.
Yes.
Going to open a new database, so set active. And then I'm also do the hull. And I do draw surface. I select all. Now, this also looks good to me.
Okay, so selective, hull, we don't have hull, okay. Then we draw surface, okay. Yep.
Okay. And then I finally check my deck. I do draw surface main deck. Okay. That also looks good.
All right.
Okay. So everything that you see here will be added to the assembly.
All right.
So therefore, I first checked to see if I have everything that I want, so that I can add it to the assembly now. So this information is all stored in the MSD. And when we are going to define the assembly, the MSD is used to make all those intersections.
I see.
Yes, so that's the next step. So we can go to the organizer. And open our project.
Organizer.
Okay. Do you have that as well?
Okay, wait a second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So when you have it open, then you can go to project and then define assembly.
Okay.
And first asks us which geometric files do you want? This is all from the MSD. So I say I want the deck, I want the hull, and I want the stiffeners. Then I do next. And here I'm going to define my frame positions. And this is just an initial definition. So we can edit this later, but you just start with something. So in this case, we can, okay, let's do only the foreship, or no, let's do only the aftship. It will take some time to generate the assembly, so maybe we do not the whole ship, but just a bit. So we will start from minus 4,200
okay,
until 25,000. And I will use a frame distance of 500. And then I can specify here the plate direction. So I can say the direction of my plates is aft, the direction of my plates is forward, or the direction of my plates is centered. So which one would you choose if you do the aft ship?
Normally I do forward.
Yes, exactly.
Everything go to the midship.
Yeah, exactly. So we do forward and then add. And then we can also do, so if I make this a bit bigger, then we can also do maybe one from 25,200 to 27,000. You want maybe, I don't know why, have a smaller frame spacing. Now we are still in the off chip, so we do also forward. That's good. And you can also do a single one, so you can also do one at 15,000 maybe.
Okay.
Okay, so that's how to define them, and you can edit this later, so it's just something you start.
Okay.
Then here you can specify the starting of the frame number. So in this case, that would be, let's see, -8. And we call this, the prefix is frame. So frame -8, frame -7, frame 0, frame 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So that's good. Which you can also say maybe FR. I don't know. Okay, so and then you have two options here, and this is quite important. So here it says MSD contains both halves of the model. Sometimes in your MSD you only have specified the port side,
Okay.
or the starboard side, just one side, and sometimes you have specified both sides in your MSD. So we, in this case, I cannot show it, but we have in our MSD both sides.
Both sides.
Yes. So we check that.
Okay. So means both sides. So we have to check for the port side and also the starboard side.
Yes. So yes, in this case, from the hull we have both the port and the starboard side in our MSD.
Yeah.
But the stiffeners we only have at the port side.
Okay.
So that was then a, so to say, no, let's call it a mistake. We only did the port side from the stiffeners.
Okay.
So we could have done two things. We could have said, well, we only define the port side and we cut off the other half in the MSD, or we also add the stiffeners to the starboard side in the MSD.
Yeah. What happened if the port and starboard side in certain stiffener is not the same? Can we define it later? Can we, I mean, modify it later?
If port side and starboard is not symmetrical.
Yeah, not symmetrical. Yeah.
Yeah, in that case, you should go for MSD contains both halves of the model. So then you just have the complete ship in your MSD. And you can also edit it later.
All right.
But that's not per se recommended, but it can be done. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So in this case, we can go for MSD contains both halves. And then it says join intersection curves of the same surface. Do we want that? Yes, we want that. So that's good. So we do next. And then you see here all your frame positions. So -8 until, well, 0 starts at -200. Okay, fine. And this is everything we have. Okay, good. So we do next. And then we define the longitudinals. So maybe we can do the tank top. Or, oh no, sorry, longitudinal. So that's maybe the center girder.
Together, yeah.
At 0, and it goes from frame -8. This goes all the way through, so this goes to I don't know, 50. Now this is the center girder, so we have the direction is centered really.
Okay.
And then we can do a side side girder at 4,000. We also have it all the way through the ship. That's fine, and we do towards the center line.
Mhm.
At least that makes sense to me.
Mhm.
And we do also do the side girder at 7,000. And we do add. And then we can also define the horizontals. So tank top at 1,000.
Mhm.
And also from -8 until 50. So that's all the way through the ship.
Mhm.
The direction is up, I would say, but you can also do down. But for the tank top, I think it's good to do up since you can be.
Everything's go up. Yeah.
Yeah. So we add that, and we can also do the maybe a twin deck
Mhm.
at I don't know 2,500 maybe, and that goes from frame 10 until frame 30.
Mhm.
It's a bit strange, but
Okay, it's okay. It's just following.
okay. And I also do the direction up for this one. So let me know when you have the same.
Yeah. All right.
Or something similar is also fine.
Okay. Okay, so first check, define assembly. We do have file, deck, and it's different. Okay, then we do have second. Oh, sorry. Two. Okay. Then we have okay. All right. Frame. We okay. Next. All right. G. Okay, center together. So 0, 8, 2. Center. 8. We have it's I get that. It's to one. Say what we do. Blah 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 blah. Long G to the okay. Horizontal. Yeah. Um, up, and then we have like deck zero to frame 10 to maybe 20. All right. Okay. Yep.
Yes, you have it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, good. So then we do next. And then here you get an overview of everything, so the frames and the longitudinals. Well, okay, that's good. Here you can set templates. I will leave that for now, but I will tell you in the last training how to do that. It's a bit of a tips and tricks. To do next, and then here you can define the drawing units. And the drawing units were those things.
All right.
We can also skip it. You can also say, no, I don't want drawing units. So, and in that case, you just do finish. But maybe it's good to do. So,
yeah, let's do it.
yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
So, let's define this one. And can't I make this a bit bigger without losing it? I don't think so. No. No, unfortunately. Okay, so let's assume that this one, the red drawing unit, ranges from starts at the midship and ranges all the way out. So that's what is that? That is minus. No, that's I'm sorry. That's plus maybe 10,000 millimeters. And let's say it's 20 meters long for now. So we go here. So we do use drawing unit, select it, and then we say port side drawing unit. Then you can give it a description. So maybe we say Andrew works on this unit. And then we can say, okay, this drawing unit is from in length, it's from minus 5,000 until 15,000. So this drawing unit is 20 meters long. And it ranges from 0, so in the midship, until 10,000. So it covers all the midship, and it goes from minus 10,000 until all the way up. So let's say also to 10,000 or something. So you can over dimension it. That's fine. You can also do it by frames.
Wow.
So you can also say I want to have it from frame, yeah, all the way off until frame. Yeah, that's maybe easier.
That's better. Yeah, yeah. So we know
until
which frame that we were working on. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So we do frame -8, and then we pick a small offset so that we are sure that frame 8 is in it. And we do it in frame 10, and we do also a small offset. So then we are sure that you are from 8 to 10. And with the width, we can say we do it from the center girder with a 0 offset. Yeah, and then plus 3,000. That's fine.
Okay.
And yeah, you can also do it here. So you can do baseline. That's fine in fact. -100. So we are sure we include it. I see we did not define the main deck. I see. So Yeah, then just do baseline plus just 10,000. So we in fact defined a box.
Okay,
And
let's say
yeah,
after we finish define the thing, right? But
yeah.
somehow we miss something, miss the part. Can is there, so we still can edit the I mean the define symbol. Is
Sorry.
yeah,
So yeah, we made a mistake and then
yeah, let's say if we miss some part, let's say just now like Mendek, right? We didn't
yeah.
put that, and then can we I mean edit this define assembly and include the Mendek?
Yes. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes. I'm
yeah,
going to show you. I'm going
yeah.
to show
All
you.
right, all right, all right. That's good.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, so we have this drawing unit on the port side, and it's from Andrew. So we do add, and then we do one for the starboard side, and then we do guys works on this. And this goes also from frame -8. I do 50, and my drawing unit is be a bit longer. Mine is 40. Also, with a small offset. Mine is from the center girder as well. And this center girder is, oh, let's do it differently. So center girder minus 10,000. So we're going to make this box again. And here we have the baseline minus 100. And I do also do the baseline. Good. Okay. Well, this is minus 10, minus 10,000.
So means that it toward starboard.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Okay, and that's that. So maybe you can make the same or something similar, and then we are going to actually make the assembly.
All right, all right. Okay. Sorry. Should be so. Let's say description. Line. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Somewhere here. Let's see. When is 100? Okay. Read center together offset 0 to right together 10. Let's say maximum is 10 high. Baseline 2 0 to 2 plus 8 is the mode. So wait 9 to 100 which would be center 0. Minimum is 10,000. Okay. Okay, and then I space line 0. Mhm. All right. Yeah.
You have it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay, so then finally, so you made a mistake, then you can click it, and then you can edit it. So yeah, if a capital here, I do a small, and then you do edit. All right, finish, done. Let's close this, also this, and yeah, this is fine. So okay, so now it's defined. It's saved that
Mm.
information.
Mm-hmm.
Then we go here to the assembly manager. And this is where you can adjust your positions of all your frames and everything. And once you click it, then it says the assembly will now be created. This may take some time. Do you want to continue?
So means that our uh, uh I mean the I mean we have defined everything, right?
Yeah.
Because sometimes when I click them, yeah, I did start. I saw your video in the YouTube, and then I tried to come up
Yes.
with my own model, and
I
then
left it out.
yeah, then I jump to this assembly, and then I see nothing.
Yes, exactly, exactly.
Because
Yes,
I
yes.
so,
That was indeed that was in the demo. I didn't show how to define the assembly since
mhm,
it's a bit boring to show to people and
yeah.
not like it's not a tutorial that video, but you can use it as a tutorial a bit.
Mhm.
It's more a bit sales related, so therefore I left it out. But indeed,
Yeah.
that's empty. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Oh no, I have an error.
Mhm. Mine still generating the assembly.
Okay, that's good.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. I think I managed to do it.
Oh no. Why why are you doing a better job than me each time? You also was better with the shell expansion, now you know you're better with the assembly. Okay, I do okay. Yes, it's too bad. I'm close it. Yeah.
A crash. I think.
Yes, I have a real crash here, yeah.
Yeah, then you have to start again.
Yes.
Or you have the model already, so yeah. It's,
Yeah, true, true, true. So it's
okay.
not. Can you show me your screen?
Wait a second. So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Oh, in 1 second. Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
okay. So it means that this is the only part that we I mean, the job that let's say because we already defined the what drawing unit, right?
Yeah.
So I'm only able to do that part.
I think if I look at it, then indeed you
Because
only see the drawing units here.
yeah, because I can see some. It's not toward the side shell, you know,
No, exactly.
right?
How did you define your drawing units? At what dimensions?
Uh, maybe not toward this. I mean, only up to 5,000.
Ah, exactly. So that's the point. But okay, that doesn't matter. So
So okay, let's say we do the mistake. So how are we going to redo it?
yeah, so it's not personally a mistake. But so let me first show this.
Mhm,
If I no, stop the 3D orbit. So if I click this now,
mhm,
then I can open it.
mhm,
Okay. And then we see here, this is port. So
mhm,
now we have here port. So now we have only this
mhm,
assembly. So this is an assembly.
mhm.
So this is that first drawing unit that you made.
Yeah.
And but this is also assembly, but this is an assembly of the drawing units, so to say. And then
Mhm,
this is one drawing unit. But
mhm.
okay, you understand.
Okay.
Okay. So if we want to edit this,
Mhm,
then we can do two things. We can go to the assembly manager, and then we can here adjust the frame positions, for example.
okay.
So we can maybe pick out frame 6,
Um,
and then we can change that position to 3,
mhm, mhm,
like that. You can also change the direction.
mhm. Okay. Wow.
So now it's very close to frame -5 now.
Mhm, mhm.
Okay, we close. I'm going to show you how to adjust the drawing units in a bit.
Mhm.
Close this. What's happening? Seems like it's frozen. I don't know if you can change this.
Wait a second. Mm, uh, close it.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Yep.
Yeah. Thanks. Okay. Uh, so now we have changed that position, but then we first have to do an update.
Update
To
check.
yes,
See
exactly.
the changes.
And then we see here all things that happened. So this is also sort of a logging. So you see here, I added the girder, and you also added the longitudinal stiffener and the bow. It's added. That's good. And we see here, if I check this, you see the assembly is changed
From
from
this
this
one
value
to
to that
okay.
value. So that's a real update. So this is just added or removed, but this is really a change. So I've checked it, and then I do mark as update. So I want to only update this line. Then I do OK. And then we do continue.
Uh-huh.
And now you see that it's gone.
Okay.
Okay.
Now frame 6 is
Yeah, where is it? This is 6, right? I think we have to open this reference. Okay. Yeah, so here you see it.
Yeah, 8.
Yeah, so this is 6, and you see that 6 is now really close to that other one.
Close
This
to,
is then
yeah,
frame
5.
5. Yeah, so it's shifted. Okay, so that's that. So that's how you can edit the positions.
Let's say,
Yeah,
how we going to, I mean, extend, not, how to say, adjust the working space. I
the
mean,
drawing unit.
from center to,
Yeah, then we have to really go back. So it's it's good to do that right.
yeah.
So I don't know if we can open this. I don't think we can. I'm not 100% sure about this, to be honest. General, no. No, we cannot change it here. So what we should do, is go back to the organizer. I think it's here. I'm going to close one. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to close this one. It's already open, so that's good. Go to project, and then and then it will ask the structure is already defined.
and
Do you
edit.
want to edit or redefine? Well, it's edited.
All right.
Okay, so this is good. We do next. This is also good. Good.
Time is good. This, I think that one is what, the longitudinal. I think this one is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe
You want to adjust it?
yeah, no, I think this one is good.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Or not good.
Sure. It's supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be okay. Is it?
Yeah.
Two,
So if 4,000, we defined 4,000 in the MSD, or in our drawing we had 4,000. That's where we draw that side girder.
Uh-huh.
That's maybe
Okay.
nicer. I do edit. Oh, that's 400. That's 1,000. Edit. We do next. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's also good.
Yeah, maybe in here. Yeah.
Yeah. So here we can.
Right. Because the maximum is about the width. Yeah, 5,000.
Yeah. Yes. So this ship, this model that we have is, I think, 18 meters wide.
18.
Yes. So I set this to 10 then.
10,000. Okay.
So I do edit. Now the port is edited. Let's see.
Yes.
How is that? The height is also good. And then this one is one on the starboard side, and that should then be minus 10,000.
0.
0. Yeah.
Okay.
And I do edit and finish.
Okay.
Okay, so that's changed. I think I have to close this first. And now open it again. Which one was it?
Model, this one, yes.
This one?
Yeah, the first one. That one is assembly.
Yes. Oh yeah. Sorry. So when we made the assembly, this folder was created, the assemblies. So this is port, starboard, and the complete. And also we have here the model is created. And here you have for the first drawing unit, so the port drawing unit, you have all the frames.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And you also have the horizontals, longitudinals, non-orthogonals. And you have the same here for starboard.
Mm.
And you also have here, if you go to port, then you have expansions. So that's plate expansions, but that's not in your license, and also nesting, but that's also not in your license. So model and assembly is added. We go to the assembly, we're going to open this one. And then to the assembly manager. This should be updated. It's not. We go to the update check. Let's see how this one looks. It's not updated, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's see, maybe here, the xrefs, that's possible. Let's see. What is going on? Edit. Right, I'm going to first close this. Close that. Yeah. Next. Good.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it's also good.
Should be okay, right?
Yeah. And to finish. It doesn't seem. Close. I don't know why. I'm going to look into this and come back to you in the next training. I can't figure it out now what the issue is.
Edit assembly manager.
Yes, exactly. Right. So then, yeah, I'll come back to it in the next training. I cannot find it out now.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
Okay, so we have this. Okay, we have seen how to adjust frame positions.
All right.
I'm also going to show you how to add a frame or longitudinal. Doesn't matter really. If we go here, maybe we have to go to the general assembly. So if you are here, then you can also do add, and then you can do maybe frame. I don't know.
Frame in the middle. Yeah.
4.1,
Mhm.
and we set that at 2000. Then you do add.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay.
So the direction is not good. Direction should be forward. And then close. Then again the update check. Or is it inserted already? Do you see it somewhere?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Frame 4.
Let's open this. Open. Ah, yeah. Here it is.
Right? This one look
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. So I think so. You see that the drawing unit
Yeah.
is apparently changed, since you see now
Yeah,
the
yeah.
whole frame.
Mm-hmm,
But
mm-hmm.
on the other end, you don't see the intersections right yet. So that's a bit strange. Maybe I don't know what happened really, but this is the frame that we just added.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. All right. So that's how to add a frame or longitudinal or deck, and how to adjust them. And yeah, what else do we have? Oh yeah, we can also do non-orthogonal. So
Yeah.
I'm
Fine.
going to stop control. I'm going to share my screen again.
Mm-hmm.
That's here. And I need to open mastership. So. And you can follow along. So we do open. And we go to projects. And then we are going to open training setup and expansions.
Mm-hmm.
And then we go to assembly. And open this assembly.
Okay.
So this is a clean one, so that we both have the same starting point.
A second. Train. Extension. Assembly. Oops. Sorry. Mm-hmm. Wait a second. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, so this is a empty assembly, and this is clean. So yours had a bit of trouble with the drawing units. Mine had trouble generating it. So I think it's good to start with the clean one. Before we do so, we have to, so this is a new project. So we have to add it to the organizer first. I'm going to click that one away. So we do, we go to the organizer and we do a new project.
Okay.
All right. And then we select the folder.
The folder.
Go to the projects. And then we select training, setup, and expansions.
Okay.
So there's already information in it. So we simply can do OK. And then you can do import project or override. If you override, everything is lost, everything is gone. But we do import since it's an existing project.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's imported. So if we now look, then you see, where is it? Training general here. This is the project that we just added. Okay, so it's in the organizer now. That's fine. So we have this now as a clean starting point. So before we take a break, I want to show you one more thing about making intersectional drawings. And then we are going to have a break.
Okay.
So if we look at the top view, then you see that all the intersections are orthogonal, which means they're all orthogonal. But sometimes in maybe the bow or the aft ship, you might also want to have a frame in this direction, right? So that's what we are going to do. We are going to draw a line here. Let me turn off this. Oh snap! I'm going to draw this line like so. And you can follow along in this.
Mm-hmm. Wait a second. Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Okay. Yep.
So if we now change the view, oh, that was stupid. We see this line here.
Mm-hmm.
And now we want to make one line going up here and one line going up here so that we make sort of a U-shaped figure. So since this is AutoCAD and not the most easy to use, we have to change the UCS first. So we do UCS and we put it on here. And we do the orientation of it in the direction of that line. Like so. And we want to have the Y direction going up. Let's see. So this is Z going up. So let's keep it. No, that's fine. And then, do you have the same now or not?
Wait a second. Okay. Okay. My AutoCAD's lagging.
Oh, really?
Maybe still saving or what? What happened? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, so I've now my z-axis pointing up and my x-axis in the direction of the line. So that's not what I want, so I have to rotate it around the x-axis. And then 90 degree. Now my y-axis is up and my x-axis is in the direction of that line.
Okay. All right.
Right. Yeah, that's, doing this in Rhino is much easier. They just draw a line, go up, But
Yeah. That's right.
so it's really not okay. But that's also why Mastership draws in 2D. So you draw in your frame and then make a composition of all the frames, and then you get the 3D model. That's just much easier to do. Okay. So anyway, we have this. And now we can make that line up. So we make another line. We make it here, and we do F8. So make it orthogonal, somewhere like that. Enter. And we can do the same here. So up.
Okay.
Do you have that as well?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Ah, good, very nice. Then we go to the assembly manager. Then we do the non-orthogonals. And we do add. And then it asks us select your entities. So we select this U.
Mm-hmm.
We enter and we give it a name. So we do non-ortho bow 1, for example. Okay. Do you see it in your assembly now?
Wait a second. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. Nice, nice, good. So then we can delete those lines, or we can leave them, doesn't matter. And we set back the UCS. We set it back to world. Now the UCS is back at its place. We look at the top. And it's not showing in the top apparently. Oh, mine is gone.
Maybe you didn't close it.
Yes, yes, I think so. Should have kept the lines here.
Yeah.
Let's see. So, but then if you open it, then you see here the non-ortho. So it looks a bit strange since it's, yeah, it's yeah, you have two intersections, so therefore it looks a bit strange apparently. And yeah, that's how to do that. So sometimes that's useful. Yeah, for example, in these shapes.
Okay.
Yeah, but we are going to set this back. So the UCS back to the UCS back to the world.
Okay.
That's it. All right. So that's that. And then I think it's good to have a small break.
Yeah.